Bioluminescence is the natural phenomenon of light produced by living organisms. It occurs in various species, from fireflies to deep-sea creatures. Bioluminescence is caused by chemical reactions within these organisms. In fireflies, luciferin and luciferase work together to create light. Bioluminescence serves multiple purposes like predation, communication, and camouflage. Some species mimic other organisms' light patterns to deceive predators or prey. The phenomenon is also found in fungi, known as foxfire. Research into bioluminescence may lead to advancements in medicine and technology. Carbon-based life forms produce light using energy from metabolic processes. The beauty of bioluminescence inspires art and innovation across cultures.